Workbook 3 Waves, Light, and Sound. Wave properties and types. Waves move energy from one place to another without moving matter. Wave properties: amplitude, wavelength, frequency, speed. Amplitude: the height of a wave from the midline to the crest. Wavelength: the distance from one crest to the next crest. Frequency: the number of waves that pass a point in 1 second. Speed: how fast a wave moves from one place to another. Types of waves: mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Mechanical waves: waves that need a medium, matter, to travel through, such as water waves, sound waves through a speaker, and/or a spring, a slinky's waves. Electromagnetic waves: waves that do not need a medium. They can travel through space, such as light waves, radio waves, microwave waves, X-ray waves. Transverse versus longitudinal waves. Transverse waves: the wave moves up and down. Longitudinal waves: the wave moves back and forth. Sound and mechanical waves. Sound waves are a type of mechanical wave. Sound is energy that travels through a medium, which is a matter, as vibrations. Mechanical waves need a medium, which is matter, to travel. Water waves, waves on the ocean. Sound waves from a speaker, vibrations in the air. Spring waves, vibrations in a spring. How mechanical waves move. Mechanical waves move vibrating particles in the medium. Key points. Sound is a type of mechanical wave. Mechanical waves need a medium to travel. Sound waves travel through air, water, and solids. So mechanical waves can be seen, like water waves, or heard, like sound waves. Light and the electromagnetic spectrum. Light is a type of electromagnetic wave we can see. Light is energy that travels in waves and allows us to see. These are some of the sources of light: the sun, light bulbs, screens, and candles. Number 2, the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum is all types of electromagnetic waves, arranged from the longest wavelength to the shortest wavelength. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. In that order, we went from longer wavelengths to shorter wavelengths. So, number 3 is visible light. Visible light is the part of the spectrum our eyes can see. Our eyes detect visible light and help us see the world around us. Number 4, uses of electromagnetic waves. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. Like, comment, and subscribe.